Wanting to make the world a better place doesn't mean you can't have fun. That's why you're coming to Jerusalem for the World Ort General Assembly. Here you'll catch up with old friends, make new ones, and enjoy everything the city has to offer. And you'll ensure the World Ort is ready for another 4 years of improving lives through education. How can you tap into everything that the GA has to offer? Your first step is simply to complete the short online registration form. Tick the boxes to let us know when you want to come and which of the 3 neighboring hotels you want to stay at: the David Citadel, the Mamilla, or the Dan Panorama. The GA Plenary opens on Sunday, 22nd of May. But why wait? On the 19th of May, we'll be meeting some of our Arab and Haredi students in Jerusalem before going north to visit a kindergarten program in Tarit HaCarmel and a fascinating tour of Intel's R&D Center in Haifa. You're now free to book your flight, but before you close your suitcase, make sure you've included comfortable walking shoes and clothes suitable for Israel's warm weather, including sunglasses and a hat, and a cardigan for the social highlight, our gala event, which will take place under the stars at Migdal David. Before you arrive, request our special transfer service and you can be met at the luggage hall and taken straight to your hotel. We'll have a hospitality desk in the lobby of the David Citadel from Friday morning. That's where you can pick up your ID badge and registration pack. While you're busy voting on the personalities and policies which will guide World Ort for the next 4 years, your spouse may want to join the optional tour to the Dead Sea in Masada. Be sure to take your swimsuit and sunscreen. Monday's been set aside for guided tours of our programs around the country. Groups will visit different sites to see the impact of a World Ort education. Your safety and comfort is paramount, so throughout the GA you'll be escorted by trained security guards. From rubbing shoulders with the President of Israel and the Mayor of Jerusalem to meeting our students, it'll be an affair to remember. So register now and let's start making the world better together. Be connected. Join us on Facebook and Twitter. #WOGA2016. Contact Rachel if you have any questions. rachel.gently@ort.org.